I'm fortunate to have two areas of focus. One is part of the STEM Academy and the Technology and Engineering. So we now have this beautiful portable STEM space. As part of the STEM Academy, everybody does independent research projects, and you need space for that, right? You need dedicated space for that. You're also teaching classes of 24 students. They have to be able to operate both of those things simultaneously.
Our classroom setup is basically designed to be flexible. Because of what I teach, I have projects in every class. The part that we're on right now is designed a bit more for the robotics, but the idea is just access. That's really what we need, is just access to stuff, places to put things so that it's not all spilling out.
The new spaces are so much nicer, like cleanliness. They stay a lot more organized because everything has a home and everything's been reorganized and labeled. So you don't kind of have like the last student's stuff out everywhere and new stuff that hasn't been put away.
So some of the problems that we're facing is in our technology, computing, physical computing spaces, there are lots of little parts and pieces, and we did not have the right storage or places to put them.
It's a lot more fluid. People move around a lot more. It's not, while they kind of have their spaces, there's enough room that they can work alone together.
I think it's easier to work together because we're able to work and spread out our papers and just work with multiple people and not have to worry about how much space we have.
The furniture is probably going to be here longer than we are, but I think having that flexibility is really, really important.
I did a study when I was in 7th grade on how learning environments affect learning, and I found that cleaner, more open spaces definitely help with that. And I feel like the new furniture has really allowed us to have that and improve upon our learning environment, because there's not stuff strewn everywhere. You're not tightly packed like sardines. It's really nice.
I think the planning and the visioning part is really, really important. It's interesting though, because you don't know exactly what you need. You can identify the problems, but you don't know what the solutions are. And then talking and working with the experts, the people that this is their business, right? They've seen this kind of transform. And then not being afraid to try something new.
The choice of classroom furniture also says a choice about what you as a school value. And I would say that the choice that we made and the way that we're implementing it says that as a school, we value opportunity, we value technology, we appreciate collaboration, but we want to be able to meet the needs of our students, whatever those are. And that's what the furniture really kind of lets us do.